Morning tubers. Well, just at the BMW dealer to pick up some barrels to make a nice barbecue. And let's see, check out some bikes. Well, you gotta have analog bikes. 67,000. Well, not bad. Oh, what's this? Honda. Ooh, that's a nice color. Oy, oy, oy. 70,000. Oh, not bad. Oh, let's see, this one. Oh, it's a digital one. No good. I think this is also a digital one. Yep, it's a digital one. Ah, this must be a good one. Let's see. Whoa, not bad. 187,342 kilometers. That's not bad. Let's see, an older one. Ah, Giro d'Italia. Ah, that's the escort bike. Amsterdam, Middelburg. Well, let's see. Mileage. Oh, 60,000. Well, this guy needs a drinks. This is a digital one. Oh, this is a analog one. 34,000. That ain't much. Digital. Digital. Oh, make a bit of room. Oh. Nice sports bike. It's an S1000RR. S1000RR. Nice Brembos. Lovely. Ooh, this looks expensive. This really looks expensive. What have we got here? F800s. F800s. Ooh, chain bikes. Do you like the chain? I like the plate. United Arab Emirates. Oh, far away from home. Oh, what's this? Oh, Triumph. And an F800R. Another chain bike. Chain tension without load. Wow. Nice shock. Ooh, it's mini.
Mooi film.
Jazeker, jongen. Oh, what's this? Another attachment. F800S. Oh, digital again. Ah, there's our Randstad rail, or tram, or light rail. See? R1200R. Nice color, black. Open up. New one. Well, tubers, be seeing you. Opel, made by GM. Bye bye.